In this video tutorial, I will show you how to optimize your Intel HD graphics processor for gaming and performance. This will boost your Intel HD graphics processor so that you can use it for performance and gaming. It is a step-wise video, so follow each and every step. But before this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. So let's proceed to the first step. First step is Enter HD Graphics command setting. For this you have to install it from the Microsoft Store. Just open Microsoft Store and search for Enter Graphics command setting. There it is, open it. If you haven't installed it, then first install it and then open it. I have already installed it, so I will just open it. After you have opened it, there will be on the left side there will be lot of settings. In display setting, set the display to the resolution to the highest number of resolution you have and FPS to 60. Then in the color setting, set the first 4 colors to the value of 27 and the next 4 to the value of 17. And then set the hue to 0 and saturation to 50. Now video section is not as so important, so we will proceed to system. In the system, open the power setting. In the power, set it to maximum performance. You will change for both on battery and plugged in. The next step is to update outdated graphic drivers. To do this, type device manager and open it. After you have opened it, search for display adapters. Double click on it and in its driver, update the driver. I have already updated it, so it is latest version of the driver. If you haven't updated, then update it. The next step is to enable ultimate performance mode. To do this, just copy the command I have given in the description. Then open the command prompt and run it as administrator. Paste the command there. Then just simply click on enter. Now just type power and sleep setting and open it. In the power and sleep setting, select additional plan and in additional plan you will find a new ultimate performance mode. Just enable it. The next step is to disable startup programs. To do this, open Task Manager and in the Task Manager disable all the startup programs that are not necessary. The next step is Advanced System Setting. To do this, type Advanced System Setting. In the Advanced System Setting, adjust for best performance. It will change your visual display, but it will give you the best performance. Now also change the virtual memory there. I have given you the scale. Set your value according to the given scale. The last step is game mode setting. To do this, type game mode. In the game mode, just simply enable it. This was all. Hope it will be helpful. I have also made a video on how to optimize Intel HD graphics, but this is for Windows 10. If you are Windows 10 user, then just simply watch it. Hope with this will be helpful. Subscribe to the channel to get notified of every new videos.